What we've done, we've developed a curriculum, and this curriculum is already gaining a lot of popularity among bishops and priests in Africa. The idea is to expose clergy and bishops to the need and skills of how to engage the urban world. Urban world in Africa has different dynamics. One, you see the growth of urban poor, a lot of slums emerging, and to the best of my experience, the church has no understanding of how to engage such a kind of communities when they move from the rural areas to the city. But the church also has the affluent, the rich, the people who have succeeded. Again, you see a lot of gaps in the way this particular community is being managed in the church. And so we want to see a church that is proactive in the urban world, exploring new missional strategies of how to keep the gospel relevant in the urban space. And this is urgent because the urban community in Africa is confronted by the rapid growth of secularization. Secularism has become the trend that actually is sweeping many people away from the church. But those who are in church, they're also confronted with the issue of sacralization. And what do I mean by sacralization? Sacralization is the confluence between secular and religion. And so we have a growing population of nominal Christians who do not actually take the scripture and the gospel serious, but they are caught up in this religiosity. And so what we want to see as AMA, being a missionary-oriented agency, is how to equip the urban ministers with the missional spirit of winning as many souls as possible and discipling them in the urban world across Africa. And we are very happy to say that many bishops have already bought into this vision. And we are looking forward, post-COVID, how we are going to engage the church and reflect afresh on what it means to be a missionary church in the growing urban Africa today.